This is how the car look with the coilovers, and honestly this car looks way better than before. Guys, it's an old lady driving this Toyota Corolla CR. Ooh. Oh, the coilovers isn't even fitted on the lowest, and this is how the car sits. Hey, there goes the old tint. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are well, and I hope you all had one amazing week. So today is not my day because I was supposed to go to VW to show you guys what cars they have and also to find out how do people buy those expensive VWs. This dealership just decided to cancel the video last minute, so I decided to switch this into a vlog video to show you guys how I get smash and grab tint installed onto my 2015 VW Polo comfort line. And if you guys haven't seen the video where we've installed coilovers onto this car, you guys should definitely check that video out. It cost about 6,800 rand to get the coilovers fitted. The coilovers, the drop links that came separate, the wheel alignment sorted with the label. So it cost about 6,800 rand to get the car look the way it looks. So yeah, let me show you guys how the car look with the coilovers, with the current smash and grab, and then we'll be on our way to Silverline Car Wash to get the new smash and grab tint installed onto this car. So this is how the car look with the coilovers, and honestly this car looks way better than before. And at the moment it has smash and grab tint, but I need a darker tint because this particular tint is too light for my liking. And the rear window also has smash and grab tint, but it started to make bubbles. Don't know if you guys can see right there. With the coilovers, this car still has the same ride comfortability, but the handling is way better. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video. We almost at 100,000 YouTube subscribers. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys for supporting the channel, for commenting on the videos. I try to remember the names of the people that comments the most. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and let's be on our way to Silverline Car Wash to see how the car look with the smash and grab tint. Cheers.
So this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Yo, I need to get myself a GoPro as soon as possible because it will make my job so much easier to do POV videos. And hopefully you guys can hear how the car sounds from the inside. Wait, just roll up my windows. Yo, now this car moves. And with the coilovers, the car doesn't have a bumpy ride. Nah, this car moves. Yeah, I need to go in here. The car still drives comfortably. Yo, I don't even know where this place is. Wait, let me just make a U-turn quickly. A lot of people with Polos, like myself, think that they drive GTIs just because they have an aftermarket exhaust. Yeah, here they are. Let me just pull up here quickly. This is me trying to go onto this, whatever this is, this little hill, and my car is low. I mean, the coilovers isn't even fitted on the lowest. And check how low this car is. Yo, see on this side quickly. Oh my word. That's why I don't want this car to be too low. Is this a coincidence or what? It's an old lady driving this Toyota Corolla CR. Sure. My, hello Tani. Yo. This is crazy. Look at the exhaust. Yo, that's crazy. My car looks nothing as aggressive as this Toyota. This is crazy. Sure. Ooh. Oh, an old lady giving us a pull. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, not a speak.
Ander alternatief is as ek sit vir jou 35 oor jou voordeure.
Ja.
Ek sit vir jou 20 oor die agterdeure. Ek weet nie of jy hou van 'n offset nie.
Nie eindelijk hier though.
Nee. Wanneer het jy die film opgesis?
Hier op so gekoop. Seker 7 maande terug.
Ja, is ouderdom wat so maak. Ons gaan vir jou 35 voor opsit.
Ja.
Dan sal ek al 20 hier moet opsit, maar die kans is goed dat hy nie 100% dieselfde gaan wees.
Is it? Nee, is fine, maar hy moet net bietjie donkerder
Ja,
wees.
ja, die 20 is donkerder.
So now I just need to wait. But yeah, my car, I still can't get enough of the look of this car. And I wanted to sell my rims at one point, but I decided to keep the rims, to keep the car, you know, OEM plus. So I don't know anything about tint. I think the lesser the number, the darker the tint. So currently this is a 35 tint. So if you put on a 20%, it's gonna be darker. A 20% tint on top of this 35% tint. If you guys know about tint, let us know how it works. They are busy with a Polo GTI, a Porsche, a Toyota Corolla Hybrid, a Land Cruiser. So yeah, they're busy with quite a number of cars. So it's just a waiting game. On that side is a very expensive Toyota Land Cruiser. Yo, this car sounds muy. All the bubbles. Just look at this. Already a huge difference. Yo, and it's not too dark, so I can still see from the inside out. And one thing that a lot of guys do is to smoke the headlights and the taillights. Personally, that's not something I would do. But yeah, everyone has their own taste. Here goes the tint on the rear window. So guys, in the meantime, while they're busy with the Polo, I just want to see what other cars they're busy with. So here they have a Toyota Hilux, a Isuzu X-Rider. By the way, which bucky is the best? Let us know. I've never seen this car in person in my life. A MG. And I'm not gonna try and open these vehicles because these are all customer cars. Like I said, they're busy with a Polo GTI as well, and a Toyota Land Cruiser, and a Porsche, and a Toyota Corolla Hybrid. This place is professional. Silver Line Car Wash, based in Paarl. So guys, this is the final result. So have a look. Yo, a massive difference. So basically what they've done is they put the 20% tint on the old 35% tint, and yo, the windows is super dark. I mean, I can still see from the inside out, but I mean, I legitimately look like a drug dealer now. But yo, it looks quiet. I want you guys to let me know what you think about the tint. Is it too dark? I mean, I wonder how it's gonna look at night. And I can't roll down my windows now for 48 hours, but luckily my car has air conditioning. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. and leave a comment. Actually, someone commented on one of my previous videos and said I need to tint my rear window, and that particular comment led me to actually, you know, tint all my windows. So yeah, I can't remember the person's name. This is the final result, and thank you to Silverline Car Wash and also Chris on that side because he's busy with something else.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, getting my way into be put. I'm losing it, the news it fits, some losing shit. A stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight.
Thank you. Yo, beautiful. Nah, that's nice. Yo, this is a huge difference. Yo, thank you. Bye, donkey. My car is still dirty. I still need to wash my car. But leave a comment and let me know what you guys think about the tint. And like I said, it's a 20% on top of a 35%. And this is the result. Yo, this is mooi. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I was supposed to go to VW today, but unfortunately they cancelled last minute. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and let me know what you guys think about the tint on my car. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and we're almost at 100,000 YouTube subscribers. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.